Do you have a sweet tooth? Have you ever wanted a delicious peanut butter cup or maybe a rich and creamy bowl of pudding, but are worried about how it might affect your health? Well, I've created a cookbook with 10 easy recipes for sweet treats using simple, beneficial ingredients, and I promise you won't even know you're eating healthy food. So this is my book, Simple Sweets. Let me give you a quick tour. You'll see when you flip to the first page, there's a list of some of the beneficial ingredients I used throughout the recipes. For example, chia seeds are high in antioxidants and are a great source of fiber. I learned a lot while doing the research for this page about cooking with healthy ingredients and was surprised at some of the substitutions that can be used. This is my first recipe, which was inspired by Bounty Bars. It tastes really similar to the store-bought version, but has no refined sugar and the added benefit of chia seeds. These one-bite brownies are even better than two-bite brownies and have the added benefit of black beans and avocados. This recipe is a great example of a recipe that needed a few versions to get it right. First, I asked myself how I could create a healthy version of Reese's peanut butter cups. Then I imagined how I could just use natural peanut butter as the filling and then coat the outside of milk chocolate. I researched a few recipes online, but most of them used lots of sugar, so I created my own version that used maple syrup to sweeten it. It was good, but then I wanted to improve it by adding even more health benefits. So I added a few other types of nut butters, like almond and cashew butter, to increase the nutrients. The end result was just as good as the original, but so much healthier. These treats were inspired by Nestle Crunch Bars, but are made with quinoa instead of white rice puffs. As you can see as I flip through the rest of the cookbook, there are many other recipes that have lots of health benefits, while also tasting delicious. Now you know how to create tasty sweet treats that are so healthy you can eat them every day, and even people who have a sweet tooth as big as mine will feel satisfied. Thank you.